What's going on, family? Today is my mom's birthday, and I lost my mom a few years back. I lost her in 2012 in October, and today is her birthday, so I was up thinking about her, April the 25th. Just reminiscing on my mom, man. She was my she was my backbone and my support system when I was doing all that time I was doing. When I got incarcerated at 16 years old until I was 26 years old, my mom was there the whole time. Like, she rode it out like a soldier, man. I can't exaggerate how real she was during the whole process and some of the things she did to make sure that I was okay. And I'm gonna be real with you, man. I haven't met a woman like that um, until I met my wife. She's she's very organic and genuine about who she love and how she want to take care of them and make sure they straight. You know what I mean? She's real family orientated like my mom was when it comes to her immediate family. You know what I mean? You know, and I tell her all the time how I wish I could have introduced my mom to her because I knew my mom would have liked her because of her soul, her spirit. I mean, she's just a good person. And today, man, I was just thinking about my mom, and since she's been gone, and how the relationship between me and my sister, it isn't what it isn't what it need to be. But I know that me being here and she's being there isn't going to help. I know I'm gonna have to make the initiative and actually go down and try to heal the wounds. Because I know my mom wouldn't have wanted to be the way it is right now. But life happens sometimes. Sometimes we try to plan things and try to say, yeah, I'm gonna do this and I want this to be, but people grow and they get in different relationships and they got their own personalities and got their own directions, or they allow someone else to influence their decisions, and there's nothing you can do but step back and just let it be what it is. um, but I can tell you this, man. I had a good mom, man. She was always down. Like, when I tell you she was down, like, she was down for me, man. Um, she would do anything, man, to help me. Like, I can tell you some countless stories, and you'll be like, "Damn, your mama did that." Like, my mama was down for me, man. And at times, my sister used to think like, "Oh, mama loved you more than she loved me," and that was not the fact, because mama took care of her the whole time. You know what I mean? It was always just me and mom as far as our understanding and being able to talk. And my sister always, it's been her and my dad. You know what I mean? They was always had a connection or whatnot, and to this day, you know what I mean? So it's just crazy how things happen sometime, man. But I just think we just have to count our blessings, man. And if you have your mom alive, man, and she's alive and she's well, and whatever the issue is, man, let that go, man. That's your mom. You know what I mean? That's your mom, man. You know what I mean? Let it go. Um, Even I got a situation with my dad. Like, we haven't talked in a while. You know what I mean? But I'm knowing that it's something that can't be healed over the phone. So I'm knowing even with that situation, it's gonna have to be something that we're gonna have to sit down, because I have a lot of issues and a lot of anger with this man. You know what I mean? And I just feel like we just gonna have to sit down one day and just let it just all air out. You know what I mean? Nobody lose they cool, just everybody express their side. But I feel we get into a time, man, where we got to keep our loved ones close, man, our family, man, those that we got that we know that want to be there. You got some that don't want to be there. You can't make somebody love you. I mean, my mom used to always say, boy, you can't make no woman love you. Don't beat on her, don't jump on her, because you can't make her love you. You know what I mean? Either she going to be down for you or she not. And it's the same way with family, man. You can't make anyone love you. You can't make anyone want to be there and support you and have your back. You can only love those who do got your back. And that's what I try to do, man. I try to just love those who I know that genuinely love me and want to see me do good like I want to see them do good. Uh, Smoking this one for mom today, just to relax, man. I tell you, boy, it's been real, man. I've been trying to kill a few birds with one stone, get things prepared for my move, prepare things while I'm here. And the only person I got to depend on at this time, like literally, is my wife. I know she got my back, you know what I mean? Like we depended on one another to make something happen, but other than that, my kids love me or whatnot, and I know they got my back, but they don't have my back. They got they young, they got their things going. But and I got a cousin. I will say that I do got a cousin, man. My cousin in Arkansas, he's down. He been down with me since we hooked up. You know what I mean? Since we run across one another, man. I mean, my cousin been down for me, and we just like just organic, just talking. It ain't even nothing about let me get some, look out for me. It's just about holding conversation, being real, being able just to actually hold a conversation with somebody that don't judge you, that won't point the finger and just like, yeah, man, I understand, and be like, yeah, or give you a good outlook on it, be like, yeah, man, that's kind of messed up way to look at it, and then you get to thinking about like, yeah, maybe I am tripping on that one. You know what I mean? But it's good to have somebody like that. And like I say, today, man, I just been spending time alone, actually cleaning up things in my truck, toolboxes, getting stuff organized, getting ready to make a trip. I'm going to OKC here soon, so preparing for that. A new adventure. You know what I mean? A new adventure can be a scary thing if you let it, or a new adventure can be exciting, an exciting thing. So let it be an exciting thing. I feel like if you prepare and you do what you need to do, things will work itself out. You know what I mean? But don't stress yourself out because you need that risk, that challenge, that uneasiness to keep you on your hustle. You know what I mean? I think when people feel like they just got it good, they stop hustling, they relax, and that's when things start going sideways. Man, I can't lie to you, man. I would love to hold a conversation with my mom today, like literally. So I salute and respect anyone that got their mothers and fathers in their life that they can talk to and just be real around. You don't know how valuable that is, man. Don't take that for granted. Don't take that for granted, man, because I can only wish right now, like for real. You know, even a good comrade, when you got a good comrade you can talk to, keep it real with your partners, you know what I mean? If they 100, be 100, you know what I mean? Because it's hard to find good, genuine people, man, that got your back, man, and want to see you win, you know what I mean? And you want to see them win. It's like it's a two-way street, man, and it's just hard to find that, man, if you're not open and you being bitter and hateful. You got to give yourself opportunity to grow, man, and let life be what it is. My lighter then went out. I need to give me another one. Man, hope y'all chilling out there today, man. Taking it easy, enjoying your family, enjoying your friends, enjoying life, working, taking care of your responsibilities. That's one thing about life, man, that, I think about that and this is just something for me being a black man and observing other races. You know, when I'm out, you know, when I see them at the parks and I see them at the different gatherings, you know, and they actually enjoying themselves. You know, growing up as a black kid, man, it's like, you know, we never really every blue like I can't remember, maybe one time, twice, you know, that we actually did something fun, but a lot of times we were just, you know, just enjoying the fun stuff in the hood, you know. So when I see other people enjoying it, you know what I mean, I'm like, man, that's what life is about, because we was always caught up on, it was always bills. It was always, I got to pay this bill. I ain't got no money for this. I got to pay this bill. It's always a bill, you know, it's always, I'm robbing Peter to pay Paul, you know what I mean? It seemed like it was a constant cycle, you know, growing up, you know what I mean? So to be older now and actually, you know, be able to do some things, you know, I like to spend time with my kids and do special things and make memories with them, man, because even though it costs money to do certain things, and certain things don't cost money, but just those memories that you make, man, is priceless, man. You know, and just the pure fun, you know, just like, man, we had a good time, went to the water park, good time, you know what I mean? Good memories. And that's what life is about, making good memories, you know what I mean? Like, I got some good memories of my mom, you know, I was thinking today, and I'm not sad, you know what I mean? I'm more just thinking about it, just like, dang, mom, you know what I mean? Some of the stuff she told me, you know, dealing with women, dealing with, you know, life, dealing with my dad, dealing with my sister, dealing with my family, you know, she had put me up on a lot of stuff. It's like, you know, and at that time, you know, you don't want to embrace certain things because you're mad or angry about it. And then later, after the smoke clear, you like, man, she was right. You know what I mean? She was right. And that's where I'm at now. Hold on.